Hey, you're watching Monicaaca and her Berne Doodle and Roddy. Yay! Doing my morning stretches. Bunny, Brisa, relax. Oh, what's wrong? No, Mama, no hagas eso. Hey, why are you doing that? Relax. So it's like 8 in the morning and I'm gonna feed the babies. Aww. Okay. And now they're eating together. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. You like kisses? Look at the difference. Brisa is like twice Bunny size. Alright, it's time for a little walk, but Bonnie wants to start walking herself. Come on, Brisa, you first. Brisa! Okay, she doesn't want to go for a walk. Maybe Bonnie first. Hey, little Bonnie girl, you want to go for a walkie? Too many walking. Oh, you heard the trigger word. What? Oops, sorry, hold on.
Oh, God, please tell me I'm not the only one.
What? Honey, Brisa? Put your head in, Brisa.
I think of you, my fingers started shaking. I've known you for 2 days. I'm sorry, I forgot your name. And it's not your fault, but just believe my heart is breaking into two.
Let's go this way. Okay, we're gonna go to the morning dog. So it's early in the morning and we're gonna go to Dunkin'. I'm gonna take the girls with me. I think they follow me. We don't know. Max, follow her. No, no one. Whatever. Bunny, you've been my favorite this morning. She's been the most cooperative. And here comes Brisa. Brisa, do you not love me this morning? What's wrong? Oh, yes, you do. Okay, I love her again. They're back equal. They're back. We're gonna head out. Oh, Bonnie, good jump. Okay, good girls. Okay, fix you. What's up, girls? Hey, we're ready to go to Dunkin'. Oh, okay, she called shotgun. Awesome. But he says, oh, let me turn the AC on because it's actually really hot. Because apparently it's like 90 degrees.
Because apparently you're spinning around and apparently everything.
And we're ready. You already know we got that AC blasting. Woo woo! She's the cutest. I'm on my way to Dunkin' and I'm at a red light. And I always have to think like, okay, what am I gonna get? Because I hate like being there, and then especially if there's like a huge line and then there's people behind me, and then I get even more nervous. So I'm like, okay, I don't want to be here forever, right? So I always, I'm like, okay, what do I want? And I always think about it before I'm there. And then, we're back in business. My sister's home. I'm like, yo, what do you want? And then I'm like, think about it. So then I let her decide once we're at the house, because I'm like, if I wait, and then what if like she doesn't answer or something, you know? So yeah, that's just me being relaxed. Psych. We're pulling in. Oh my god, and there's no one, dude. Okay, let's see. Hi, can I please have one large butter pecan iced coffee? Just cream. And then I'll do a medium butter pecan iced coffee. The same with just cream, no sugar. And that's all. All right, thanks. Okay, a car came behind me, so you know that does happen. See, that was so cute. The lady at the drive-thru, I love her. In Duncan, right? And then they were talking about how Bonnie is like so cute, and then they have a pool. She has a pool. Let's turn left. She has a poodle, and that she takes her every month to go like shower, to go get clean. You already know Mama got a large. Okay, I'm gonna turn right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn right now. I'm scared. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna turn right now. Perfect. Lisa, why aren't you coming out in my video? Are you shy? Oh, she is, but she's probably down here. Yeah, she is. You see, I need to get another camera holder or something. Woo! And then Bonnie is up here. Behind this car that's going 5 miles an hour! Not even me!
Mama.
We're back.
Mama.
And they're hot.
I miss you, Mama Bear.
So the lady was there, and then she was telling me,
She was telling you why.
she went like, oh, like, what is she? And then like, she's a dog.
Like a dog.
Yeah, I was like, she's a dog, duh, she's a puppy. And no, just kidding. She was really nice. She was like, oh, she's so cute. And she was like, I have a poodle. And I'm like, oh, she's a Berne Doodle. And like, so she's half poodle. And then she was like, oh, and then it was so funny because I was like, oh, I'm like, we just got her hair yesterday because no quería de que, you know, like I just didn't want her to think that she's like that. I was like, no, we did it porque es como hace calorcita. Oh, sí, yo al mío por eso lo llevo cada mes. So every month she takes some, and I'm like, oh, I know, right? Well, y ya tiene 9 years old, the poodle that they have, que ya lleva mucho tiempo. So it was cute.
Still a little. I think that the reason I'm gonna just wait a little bit just so that she doesn't get traumatized. So like now she knows what the clippers are.
Aww, yeah. Okay, so for breakfast I'm gonna have it's like a rye bread with butter me up, and then some bacon and a hash brown, and it's gonna be delicious. And then my girls are unfortunately just gonna stare because they're gonna want some. And I feel bad because they can't have it, right? Oh, well, maybe a little. Oh, I'm just gonna eat this. Oops, it accidentally fell. Oops, it accidentally fell. Uh-oh, did Bonnie get it? Lisa, Bonnie, you gotta be quicker than that. Okay, let's try it again. Well, just with Bonnie, because that's it. No more Brisa. Good girl. I just gave him a little bit of bread, okay? Don't worry. Okay, let's try it. So my sister told me that this is a butter combo with the onion chive from Trader Joe's cream cheese. So I cut it, and then I'm going to do half butter, half onion and chive. Let me know. Okay, ta-da! I finished spreading. Time for the review. Mmm! Mmm! Oh, those flavors are melting in my tongue. I approve. Thank you.
The doggies got a treat.
Ooh,
No,
oh.
sit. Good girls.
You enjoy my little belly rubs, don't you? Look at it, hitting different. Ooh. No, it's good when the leg starts kicking. Like, and then mommy's like, what's going on? Why are you kicking? Okay, I'll put you more. Hold on, I wanted to show. I found Bonnie's spot. Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me tell you something. Bonnie, I found Bonnie's spot where she started to kick. Hold on. Come on, Bonnie, start kicking. No, they're playing. Oh, butt licker. Hey, Bonnie. Whatever. Never mind. Maybe another time. She snatched her. Oh my god. The girl's gone wild. Time to mediate. Girls, thanks for watching. What is that? Good girl.